Don't miss this 2009 Honda Accord Sedan X. It's equipped with automatic transmission and has all the standard safety features that Honda is known for. With low miles you can feel confident about this vehicle lasting you for years to come. The X model comes with a power sunroof, 6-disc CD changer and 17-inch alloy wheels. The Accord also has the luxury of having steering wheel mounted radio controls and cruise controls. After seeing this vehicle for yourself, you'll want to take this car home. Don't miss out on this great vehicle today. With up to 31 miles per gallon, you will be saving lots of money at the gas pump with the Accord. We are a family-run business that has been serving the community since 1975 and we could love to have the opportunity to earn your business. Contact Brody Townsend at 1-866-980-6434 to see this car firsthand.